Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle, back with another video. This time about MaticStaker, which is actually going crazy. We have like $4.5 million in Matic, and Matic is low now. Okay, so it's 2.5 million Matic on balance, and the total staked is it's a crazy number, like 5.6 million. And now we are closing to 15%. So I'm going in again. Alright, guys, so we are back. Seeing the growth here and the new stuff, because if we go here, that will redirect us to the MaticStaker community. Okay, it's like from MaticStaker, and here you will be able to invest TRIXX token that are going to be airdropped to people who staked in the silver, gold, and platinum plans. Okay, right now the total ROI for the silver plan for 14 days is 600%. And I'm kind of thinking about going in, but these plans, these daily plans, are what I love, and seeing 14.9%, that will give me ROI in like 5 to 6 days. So that's crazy. So I'm gonna invest a little bit. Still thinking about this one. I guess maybe I'll be able to buy the TRIXX tokens and go at the launch. That's still still some time because they will launch in like a month or so. So maybe they will decide to launch earlier. I don't know. But seeing that and seeing the huge growth, that the balance is steady, people are still going in. They like the rising percentage. It's 0.5% every day. So this will get to 20% maximum, and then maybe I know we'll see. But they did the tokens, and they did like layer 2 with this, so that's something that I find interesting, and I did really good with this. A lot of people went from my link, so thank you all for supporting the channel. It's really helpful in growing the channel. There are a lot of things I'm doing in the background, so yeah, you should be happy with the returns. So let's invest just a little bit here. You need to have Matic, and you need to be switched to Polygon on your MetaMask wallet. So in order to do that, you can go to chainlist.org and add Polygon network to your MetaMask automatically. That's the easiest way. Then you can use transit swap. You can like I just bought a Matic for BUSD, and it went to my wallet. So that's how it works. So we can use transit swap as well to switch from BSC to Polygon. It's quick, and well, they don't charge too much, so that's helpful for me. So I will go with 100 for 14 days. It will give me 14.9% daily earnings in Matic. I will have to pay 10% for withdrawal, but I will basically double my investment. The 108 Matic will be a profit, so maybe around 100 Matic clear profit after the fees for withdrawals, which go back to the balance supporting this thing. I guess it was designed very well because it's been going crazy. So let's deposit now. You won't see my MetaMask because that's something that you can only see my window, but the MetaMask window will appear. You need to confirm, and then wait a little bit. Sometimes the network can be clocked, especially if the people are selling like they did because the price went down. So I decided to buy a little bit more and grow it, and we'll see the price in 40 days. So let's wait for that. After it's done, you should see it as being confirmed. Sometimes it takes a longer time, when the Polygon is clocked. So I'm not pretty sure. I'm not sure if we be able to see it here. Yeah, it's already here. So if I refresh, yeah, so this is like a new deposit. My old deposits are finishing in 7 and 5 days. They were, one was for classic, I guess, and one was for savings. Now I went for savings again. With the classic, you have a higher ROI. You'll get 180% clear profit minus the fees for withdrawal. So it's 13.4%. Also a nice one. And the premium is for 28 days, 11.9%. But here you'll get 233 clear profit, because the 100 I'm deducting is your initial investment that you'll be getting back with your daily earnings. So basically you'll be getting back your initial investment for a few days right now, because the returns are so high. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I'm pretty sure you like this because I've seen that you do. Good luck to you, and see you soon on next video.